Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPad 9 generation 2021 model. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating is required to separate the screen from the body for tablet repair. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad 9, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a plastic cut pry tool or triangular picker and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling. There are flex cables attached to the logic board. To lift the touchscreen, take the direction like opening a book but from the left hand to the right hand side. Open and place it like an open book to remove the LCD display. Next, take off the LCD screen by undoing 4 screws. Lift the LCD screen to 90 degrees by the top, and then disconnect the plug by undoing 3 screws and the shield. Next, unplug both touchscreen connectors from the socket. Peel the tape and raise the tab to take out the Touch ID connector plug. Now the touchscreen unit can leave from the body. Next, undo the screw on top of the battery connector. And then to take out the battery, it needs some more heating on the battery side. Again, we are using the heating pad but on the rear side where the battery locates. Next, using a pry tool, gently cut the adhesive and raise the board by the top. And then slide in a pry tool and keep it steady till you take out the battery. This method helps to create enough space to pull out the battery without taking out the logic board. Next, use a couple of pry tools to lift the battery. Gently raise the battery while cutting the glue. The bottom of the connection sticky can be strong. Be careful and slowly cut the adhesive to pull out the battery using a pry tool. There is no connector plug and the battery pins are touching the logic board pins. Next, place the new battery with adhesive and then take out the supporting pry tool on the board. Next, slightly push the logic board to sit securely in the body. Next, add the screw on top of the battery connector. Finally, start adding the front screens. First, connect both touchscreen connectors and the Touch ID flex. Next, plug the LCD connector and then add the shield by inserting 3 screws. Next, secure the LCD screen by adding 4 screws. Next, before clamping the iPad, first ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or double-sided pre-cut adhesives. Take the closing book direction and place the digitizer on the body. Place the bottom section first and follow the top, and click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides and verify the home button sits and clicks precisely. At last, we use screen binding clips to tie the screen to the frame. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.